This one is one of my favorite slide, and I really like this one because in just one slide, this is like kind of a cheat sheet. Okay, this is a kind of a cheat sheet for Android file IO handling. If you have this cheat sheet, you can write any code in the world, especially if related to file handling. Now in Android, there are 4 different locations: internal storage, external storage, I have told you, but there is one more place where you can put the file, and that is only used for reading purpose. You cannot write to that, and that is inside your project called res_raw. So I have explained you that you can create a new file in an internal storage. You can read from that file, and same you can do from external storage. But there are 2 more locations, and that brings down to our numbering system. There are 4 locations where files can be written: resource/raw directory or assets directory, and these are nothing but inside your project. So let us assume that you want to include some file in your project for reading purpose while the application is running. Now how do you do that? For that, what you have to do is that just put some file here and put some file here. Inside this, create a directory called raw, and inside that you can put it, and that it should be fine. So these are the 2 ways where you can put resource, raw, or assets. Now the difference between all of this is that in the resource raw directory and assets directory, you are not supposed to uh, write it. So it is not allowed. So writing is not allowed here. But for other locations, you are perfectly fine. You can do it. So the first difference is writing is not allowed. Okay. Now, once you know that, what is the syntax? What is the API to read the file and write the file? So what I have done in this slide is that I am using a input stream and output stream. So it is very simple: file input stream, file output stream, and this IS, all of this IS, let me just show you this variable IS. What is this IS? Yeah. Okay. So here there will be IS equals to new file. Here, okay, I am mistyping here. IS equals to this much. Okay, leave it this. IS equals to new file input stream SD card file. Same here. It should be called OS output stream. Output stream equals to this much. Okay. And that's now what is this IS and OS? Input stream and output stream. So what the basic concept is that from any location, from every location, whether it is in resource raw, whether it is in assets directory, whether it is in internal memory or it is in external memory, there are a set of APIs which if you use, you can get a reference to the input stream from which you can read. And in the same way, there is a set of API which if you use, you can get a reference to an output stream to which you can write. Okay. Now, once you read all the document, all the data from that location through input stream, next job is to convert this input stream into some kind of a string. So what you have to do is that from any location, from let us assume that there is some location you want to store. So from some location, this is some file location. Okay, it could be any of those four, and from this you get a input stream. Okay, and from this one, now here what you have to do is that convert input stream data to just regular string. Okay, so basically what you have to do is that from any file location you get an input stream and then convert input stream data to a regular string. Now how do I convert input stream data to a string? See, this part I have already shown you that from any location how to do that. Okay, till this part. Now how to do this part? From any file location get an input stream and then convert input stream data into regular string. So let us see that how do we convert. Here is what it does. Once you get the input stream as explained in previous slide, it is very easy to read the content and store in a string object, and that's pretty much does your job. So I have written a small simple method called convert input stream to string, and it takes a variable called input stream and then it just converts all of that into a regular string, and then once you get the string you have read the data. Same thing goes to output stream. If you want to put output stream to, if you want to see the output stream, basically what you are doing is that you are going to write something into the output stream. So output stream dot, there are a lot of methods to write and everything, so you can use that as well. Now, couple of things here. These are the methods which are shortcut methods provided by Android. These are basically shortcut methods. So instead of using these three, if you can use this one as well. And the same way works here. Instead of using this one, you can use this one. So these are the two shortcuts method. If you want to delete a file, here is the shortcut for delete. Context.delete file, and it will delete this file from your internal memory storage. Okay. And that's pretty much kind of a covers the how the file handling happens in Android.